saying that Oledo must have committed a crime, a big one. If not, why would she be detained in the police? Ima, do you know that police does not catch anybody that is innocent? Police will never catch you.
Oh, Mama, that young man would have just told us what she did and save us from these assumptions.
You're not assuming anything. The young man must have a reason for doing that. Did you know my own? I just wish she doesn't come back to this house again. Let her rot in that police net. Eh?
I can't wait for that to happen. Eh? So we'll have peace in this house. Talk about the devil. She comes.
You must tell me where you're coming from. Yeah. Just stop there. Where are you coming from? Tell me why that boy whisked you away the way he did. Tell me now, what crime did you commit?
Mama, I did not commit any crime.
Listen. Okay. Now, why must you lie? If you say yes, will I kill you? If you tell me what you did, will I beat you?
Did you even think she's going to tell you the truth?
Remember, whether you tell me or not, I will sleep and you know me and say I will know what you did. Oh no, shit. Come on, get out from my sight. Go. Hey, come back here. There is no water, no single water in this house. Go now and pick that jerrycan. What that? You have broken it. Go and pick that thing and go and fetch water. Fetch it 10 before the next 30 minutes. Do it before Angoleka comes back. Also, then, what is your muscle? What is it? Can you use it to give me here Baduru now? I'm making You say Go fetch water. Now what in the What do one do not be evil in this house? Carry it and go!
Let me turn the water first, Mama.
Idiots. Carry that thing and go. No, and I'm gonna shake your leg. We freak a mad right here. Idiots. In fact, it is less. Less there by force, by fire.
Meet Tina, my secondary school mother.
Hey,
yes. Hey, you are welcome.
Thank you very much. How are you?
I'm fine. So I was coming to the house to look at all the things she bought for me. Telling you.
All these things?
Yes.
Oh, they are beautiful. Wait,
yes,
all of this for you?
Yes.
Oh, Tina.
Once a daughter is always a daughter.
Yes.
My daughter.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Bless you too.
She has always been this good to me.
Really?
She has always been this good. It's your mad. And the most important thing, no Diego.
I can see that for myself.
Sometimes you might want to give somebody, but take her the
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
God
you
bless you.
If I don't do it for you, who else? You're my girl now. For life.
Oh, thank you. God bless you. In fact, let's start going to my house.
Let's go.
Tell my father.
Let's go. The father is my uncle.
Oh, okay. No. What is going on? Am I dreaming or something? No. Tina, somebody should wake me up. Somebody should just wake me up. Afunwa, I will never allow you to useless my life just like that. No, it's not going to be possible. It's not going to be possible. I will not let that happen. Why is he calling me now? Why is he calling me? I'll not pick the call. That is very angry. You call and get tired.
Come on, Tina, pick up. Come on, pick up now. I need to explain to you. What is this?
Afoma, where's Lotana?
What kind of stupid question is that?
What is it? I just asked you a simple question. All I needed is an answer. And you're raising your voice at me.
And don't you dare ask me such stupid question again.
Why are you raising your voice at me? Why are you shouting? You know what? I am not your problem. You should go fix it.
Come on, get out!
You get out!
Get
Get out! Get out!
Nonsense!
Rubbish!
Let me get you. Come. Coming here to ask me for the time.
Ebere, honestly, I don't know what to do. Isiokun, I'm so confused right now. Honestly, I mean, how can two brothers be fighting over one girl? The other one just came back. It's been long since I saw him. That is not even the problem. The issue right now is, how can the one that took you home, that was supposed to employ you as a maid, all of a sudden turn around and said he wants to marry you? I don't know. I never knew he had another thing in mind. Look at me now. Two brothers are fighting because of me. Am I that beautiful? Nne, you are beautiful. Any man can die for you. Yes, now. Meanwhile, you have to tell my father about this. Ibiri, why are you talking like this? You know, I cannot possibly talk to Uncle about this kind of issue. I'm ashamed of myself. My dear, right now, my father is the only option that can help us solve this issue. Honestly, don't worry. Don't worry. He will solve it for us, okay? I'm just so confused. Don't worry now. I don't understand my life. From one problem to another, came Bogebi. My mother should just come and take me. Oledo. What mother are you talking about? Your late mother. So you want to kill yourself? My dear, please just don't worry. My father will solve this issue. Okay? Just try and be fine. So, how? You know what I'm talking? It's okay. You're getting too worried. Don't worry, my father will handle it. So, tell me. Smile now. I don't understand. Please.
Mom, there's a limit to nonsense that I will take. I've been keeping quiet because of the respect I have for you. Warn your son. Warn this boy to have respect for his elders. There's a reason I've been keeping quiet. The respect I have for you. Warn this boy. Warn him to stay away from Oledo. I brought Oledo to this house.
That's not even the issue. Oledo and I have been in love before I lost her contact.
Mom, but you got this boy, you know, I'm going to break your neck.
You can do nothing.
Supanike.
I will do nothing.
Hey.
Lotanna, don't tell me that he has no right over her. That girl is my first love.
You shut up your mouth. Just say that first love again. Let me hear Oledo from your mouth again. Look at this stupid boy.
You are the one who is stupid. Look at you. You brought the girl here to serve as a house girl. Then all of a sudden, you turned around and claimed she's your lover. How stupid.
Oh, it's okay. Enough! Enough of this nonsense. What is your problem? Both of you told me that you are bringing your fiancée to introduce her to us. So what happened now?
Mother, is that the issue now?
That is the issue. Both of you should stay away from that girl. Stay away from her. Bring your fiancée. You bring your fiancée, the one you told us about. Introduce her to your mother. Yes, mother. I'm responsible for what you just said.
Mom, I beg to disagree. That is not going to be possible. Oledo is my first love.
If you open this stupid mouth of yours to call her your love,
it is enough. Mama, stay away from that man.
Oledo or nothing. Oledo
is for me, my people, for this war. I will break your neck. Mom,
both of you should stay away from that girl.
That's what you have to say.
Stay away from her.
That's what you have to say.
Yes.
That's what you have to say.
Bring your fiancée to me. You have a fiancée.
Okay.
What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could this be? Brother against brother. What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could we are fighting one another. What could this be?
So you're trying to tell me that man was here because of Oledo?
Only. You needed to have seen this car this guy brought here. If you go to the car, I see a couple. That is why our mother and I concluded that she must have done something. That she must have committed a crime.
What kind of crime would she have committed?
You are asking like you don't know what that thief we have in this house is capable of doing. Even this morning, this early morning, she stole Mama's money. Yes. Leah.
You see the guy? The guy is fine.
Very fine. For good mission.
Hi, ladies.
Welcome.
Hi.
Is Oledo inside?
No, she's not inside. We don't know her whereabouts. But please, can you tell us what our offense is?
She did not commit any offense. Excuse me.
Are you going? Do you mind? Stop. Can come and wait for her. It's going. Absence. Bye-bye.
See, Oledo has to tell us what crime she committed. And you, why are you behaving like a goat? You want to come inside? Come on. Hey!
I think I have your time, idiot.
Hey! Mama, why did you leave me alone in this wicked world to suffer? I'm going through a lot. I don't have anyone that will fight my battles. I'm just confused. I don't know what to do. Oh God.
please, don't run. Please. I can explain. Please.
I do not need your explanation. Please, leave me alone.
I can't leave you alone. Please, you have to hear me out.
No. What do you want to say to me? You lied to me. Yes, you did. The same day you took me to your house was the same day you were supposed to introduce your fiancée to your family.
And that is because I figured out she wasn't meant for me.
Hey.
Please, I fell in love with you the very moment I said eyes on you. She's not meant for me. You are.
Love is not enough. I've been through a lot already. Allow me to face my challenges without adding yours. I cannot do this thing with you.
I want to stand by you. Together we can conquer these challenges. I love you. Oledo, please, you just have to. We can do this. We can do this together. We can. Oledo, please, you have to stop running. I can help you. Please. We can do this together.
Wait. Are you saying that young man was here again?
He came here. He came looking for Oledo. But we don't know the whereabouts of Oledo.
Oh my God, I'm so tired. Mama, I feel that man is coming here for something else. Oledo did not commit any crime.
Like what? Are you stupid? I used to think you have sense. Are you mad? What else will he be coming here to look for Oledo if not for something she committed?
Mama, I don't know. But Mama, did you look at that man? Did you have a close look at him? Mama, the looks in his eyes is that of love and affection. Mama, didn't you observe it?
Okay, you're asking the lover girl. The person that reads love eyes. A idiot. Eh? What would that perfect gentleman, fine man, will be looking for in a dirty Oledo? They couldn't want her one dendife. Eh? What would he be looking for in her that would warrant him to come here every day to look for her? Even more gold. Eh?
Yeah, Mama, let's just stop all these assumptions. Eh? Mama, call Oledo and question her. She might tell you the truth.
Do you think so?
I think you both are right. That is what I will do. I will call her. But can the fight stop? Can the fight? The bickering is too much. Can you both stop?
Get out of my gates. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. I'm actually looking for... Oh, not to worry.
Okay.
Good day, Ma.
Good day, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine, Ma.
Who are you and who are you looking for?
Sorry, Ma. I'm actually looking for Lutana.
Lutana?
Yes, Ma.
Chidita, how are you?
I'm fine. Are you?
It's good to see you. Mama, this is Lutana's fiance.
Oh,
yes.
I see. That's good.
Thank you, Ma.
That's good. Lutana is not around now. He went out.
Okay.
Come in and wait for him.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Ma.
Welcome.
Good to see you, huh?
Que mo disiche
he come? You didn't even tell me.
It's not been long.
You're not looking bright at all. What is it?
He came and I ran. What is funny? Why are you laughing?
Okay, sorry. Must you run? Why did you have to run?
Chombi, must you run? Sometimes I think you're mocking me. Why would you ask such question? Of course you should know why I'm running.
Okay, I am sorry. I'm not laughing at you.
You are.
Hi. What is it?
What is wrong with this boy?
Is he the one? He's very cute.
How you little?
Why are you following me everywhere? Please go. Stop following me. Stop. Please.
Oledo, calm down.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Who are you?
My name is Lotana, son of late Edward Amude.
Edward? Oh, Edward.
Yes.
I've been hearing of your father, even though I never met him. So, what brings you to my house?
Ebere, I have to go now.
No, Oledo.
Oledo! Why is she in such terrible days?
Oledo, come back.
So, I am her uncle. But please come, let's sit down. We can talk. Come on, sit. Sit down. Sit, please. Is there any problem? Is there anything I can help you do?
What is it? Why do you have to run?
He should go back and settle with his brother if he wants to talk to me.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, have you told him?
I don't need to tell him. He's not a child.
Anyway, you need to tell him. At least he must know how you feel about him.
Ebere, you will not understand. Iman water.
Anyway, he now talks with my father.
Eh?
Yes.
What did he tell Uncle?
I don't know. I just know that they've been talking. Anyway, that's by the way. Please, let's go back.
No. I'd rather go home.
No. Oledo, let's go back.
Afunwa, are you saying Lotana is seeing someone else?
He's not just seeing someone else. He wants to marry her. That is the reason he did not come to pick you up yesterday.
I don't understand. Lotana wants to marry her? Who is she? Who is she?
You don't know her. That's one local village girl.
Wait, Lotana wants to leave me for a local village girl? No problem. I have to be on my way. There is no need waiting for him.
Wait, meaning you have accepted defeat? No, now. Come on. Look, I gave you this information so that you sit up and take action. Where's your love for Lotana? Are you going to sit and allow a local village girl enjoy the fruits of your labor? Oh, now.
Oh my God.
You're smarter than this.
Afunwa, why? Why is Lotana doing this to me? Why? Do I deserve this?
No, you don't. Absolutely.
Do I deserve this?
You don't.
Why?
Look, he won't. That's why I want you to take action, eh? Come, he will soon be back. Let's go inside and wait for him, eh? Come, it's okay. Don't cry, okay? Don't cry. Let's go inside. It's going to be fine. Let's go. Where is this girl? Local village girl. What could this be?
Finally. And as for you, Afunwa, you haven't heard the last of me yet.
Where do you want to go? I thought you've decided to wait for him.
I've waited long enough. I don't think I can wait anymore.
Why?
Nothing, Mama. I have to leave now.
Nne, you have to wait for him. He will soon be back. I'm sure of that.
No, Mama. Thank you so much for your hospitality, but I have to leave now.
Why this sudden change of mind? I'm sure he's the one at the gate.
Mother.
Welcome back, son.
All right. How are you?
I'm fine. She has been waiting for you. She was even about going out before you drove in.
Hi.
I've been told the reason you didn't come to pick me up yesterday. Lutana, what have I done to you? I've been loyal to you all this while. What is the problem? What have I done to you? Lutana, what? Tell me, why are you doing this to me? Do I deserve this?
Please calm down. Let us go inside. We can sort it out. Whatever you had. I don't just know, but we can sort it out, okay?
Mama, there is nothing to sort out. Nothing. I feel so betrayed. I feel cheated. I feel embarrassed. All because of you. Lutanda, after all my love, everything, you stand here to do this to me. It's okay. It's fine. I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Nne, come back. Come back. Nne, come back.
Where is Afunwa?
Where is he? What did you say to Chiduta? What kind of nonsense question is that?
I will not ask you again.
Please step out of my way.
What? What did you tell Chiduta? What did you tell her?
Get your filthy hands off me now!
Why has both of you become cat and dog because of a woman? Eh? Why?
Ask this stupid boy what he told Chiduta. What did you tell her?
Get your hands off me before I will do something nasty and unbelievable!
Oh! After what you've done, after telling Chiduta what I don't even know, you talk of unbelievable. I'll tell you what unbelievable is. Wait for me!
Listen, let me tell you.
Wait for me!
I am not afraid of anybody. Be you who? What does he think he is? Well, mother, you must know I told you the simple truth. And I don't owe anybody any apology for that. Nonsense.
Abuba! What has come over you? What is wrong with you? Eh? Hey!
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
He went out.
Where is he? Where is he?
Olid, are you ready to tell me the truth? The exact reason of what you have committed has made that young man to keep coming here to look for you.
I did not commit anything.
Eh?
Ezioku, I swear to God.
So why is he always coming here to look for you? What have you done? I know you. Obiapo, Obietiane, Kedi female.
I've not done anything. Ezioku. Mama, I told you. This Ekberima would never tell you the truth.
For once, say the truth now, Biko. Eh?
Hey, why are you looking at her like that? Amosu. Listen, since you have decided to do your own, you know me, I'm a naked woman. I cannot force the truth out of your mouth. Ibonoiti, Obietina. Oh, Obranya Manumuni, Sagaro. Can name Obi Otizenata? I'm a naked woman. I will tell you part of my food. You're keeping the truth from me, I'm keeping my food from you.
Bam.
Oh, you're shocked. This time around, you go to ask your mother for food. Until you open that your stupid smelly mouth to tell me the truth, you will not taste anything in this house. Oh yeah, get out. Get out. Get out. If you look at me like that now, I'll flog you. If I'm a week,
Mama, why are you being so fair to her?
Shut up. Am I your mate?
Mama, I expected you to use the key now.
No, I should use it on you.
Why?
Mama,
what did I...
no, Mama, I'm in support of you. Hey, you know she's a lover of food. And now that she said there's no food for her again in this house. Otanata. Ukuya, atanata.
For the flirt, yeah.
Exactly.
So what was the key? If it's me now, you know how to flog me.
What are you doing here?
I came for us to talk.
Talk? I'm sorry. There is nothing for us to talk about. Everything we need to talk about has been said by your brother.
Listen, you have to disregard anything my brother tells you.
Luther, is that all you have to say?
Yes.
Anyway, I don't have anything to say to you. But one thing I will tell you is, don't worry, I will get that girl. You see that girl? When I get her and I'm done with her, you will hear from me. When you're done, you can leave the house.
Are you talking to me like that? Are you talking to me like that? Are you talking to me like that?
Leave him for what? Leave him! He's holding me.
Leave who?
He's holding
Leave
me.
the stupid boy! Leave the stupid boy! You!
Listen, I don't like what you both are doing. Stop it!
Is it not Lotana? Huh?
Lutana, we can settle this without anybody being hurt. Please! Please! You! Huh? Are both of you mad? Why are you fighting over a woman? You are fighting yourselves because of a woman.
But it's not Lotana. He has started again.
Tell your stupid son to stay away from my business.
This stupid!
You're
You
stupid.
are a fool!
What?
You are a fool!
What can you do?
Hey!
You can't do anything.
Hey, stop him!
He's a fool!
What is wrong with him?
He's a fool!
You call me a fool?
Yes!
How dare you call your elder brother a fool before me?
We shall see.
You have to withdraw that statement now, or you regret me.
There is nothing to withdraw. You call me a fool. You!
Mother, you want me to withdraw this statement?
Yes! You have to
sorry!
What is wrong with you? Don't you know he is your elder brother? Huh? I have kept quiet in this house for a long time for both of you to settle your differences by yourself. It's okay. I know what to do.
Mama, I don't care the measure you want to take. As for me, I am not ready to leave all letter for anybody in this house.
What? What is your problem? That sets him right. What is your problem? So you have no respect for me. I know you call them man. You know me time better.
Thank you for this plan. Thank you! But it won't stop me. All of you in this house will see. It won't stop me.
I go one.
Yeah, you will see.
I go one. Hey. Because of the woman. Hey. Hey. This boy is crazy. He is mad.
What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could this brother against brother? What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could we are fighting one man, not what could this be?
Mama, please, I want to talk to you. There's something I want to tell you.
And what is that? Talk now! I don't have that time, Biko.
Mama, please, I want my own share of the land you sold. Our father's land you sold. I want my own share of the money.
You see? What is that supposed to mean? Huh?
Mama, I said I want my own part of the money. I know you've given your daughters. I know
you have sense. You have plenty of sense. I had expected you to know what to do. Since you want me to tell you and advise you at the same time, your mother is buried by that. See that corner? You see the grave there? Go and ask her for your share.
Mama,
of the money.
I would have asked my mother, Mama, but she's not the one that sold the land. You did.
No one my share. Can you imagine? Oledo,
Mama,
what gave you the audacity, the impetus to talk to me in that manner?
Mama, I mean no disrespect. I've not used any abusive words here, Mama. You starved me for days for no reason. Just give me my own part of the money so I can use it and take care of myself.
Oh. Is what this is all about?
Yes, Mama.
That I starved you. I only starved you for just 3 days. 3 days and you're angry. No problem. Since you now have sense and you're looking for the money, more is coming. Since we are now needy, co-wives, you're asking me for the share of the money. You shall see more. You shall see more. You shall see more. Come and beat me and collect the money. Oh, Yori. Thief. You are not going to meander and steal.
Mama.
Come on. No, come on. If you call me again, If you call me again, the slap I will give you, is still doing press up from Kafanchan. It's still doing press up from Kafanchan because, I'll just lose your face. Idiot.
Mama, this is not nice, oh. Mama, this is not nice. This is why you're not treating me fair, Mama. You gave your daughters money. What is it? Mama, what have I done? You're not treating me fairly. I'll fetch water, I will cook, you will beat me, you accuse me of stealing. Now you sold our father's land. You don't want to give me my own share of the money. Awatam nanko.
Mama, you give me my money, oh. You give me my money, Mama. You give me my money, I'll not die of hunger.
The world of the poor, the world of loneliness, intimidation.
Oledo. Oledo. Why are you leeching to your place? Oledo, I'm talking to you. What did you just... Oh! What did you just... What did you just... You just slapped me! I will slap you! Over again! Your mother will not give me food! You will not allow me to drink my garri in peace! I'll make it jungle justice! You dare lay your filthy hands on my daughter! Mama, your daughter fought... Mama, leave me alone! Leave me alone! Catch her! Catch her and bring her! I will defend you, I'm your daughter! I'm your mother! Come back here! Where are you running to? Why did you come here? Mama, you have to stop this guy again to me! Mama! Mama, my face! Oh, my body! I will kill you in this house! Come back, you will come back and meet me! Why did you come here? If I was fucking you and not coming in, I was asking Mama. Why did you fight her? Can I fight her? I don't see children that people for that kill me.
My love, I have been searching for you everywhere. Thank God I have finally found you. Only though I've been...
Afonwa, please stop. I've told you this severally. Just go. Stop searching for me. Go back to your girlfriend.
No, my love, don't say that. Only though you know I truly love you. And I'm sure you love me too.
Afonwa, listen. I know you to be a faithful man. That girl loves you. Don't break her heart. Go back to her.
Which girl? I don't care about any girl. You're the one I care about. Don't break my heart. Oledo, remember what we said to each other?
Please.
Remember what we have. No.
Please.
Oledo, please. Don't break my heart. Oledo, you are one.
Please, I don't want you to break her heart.
Oledo, remember what we said to ourselves. Remember how we used to be. Oledo, come on, don't do this to me now. Oledo, hey. Oledo, don't leave me like this now. Hey. Lotana.
From one problem to the other. Why is everyone hating me?
Oledo, do you want some? This one is okay, so delicious.
Oh, thank you. So you are enjoying the food?
I am.
Okay. So don't worry. Once my father gets back, we'll tell him everything, including the land issue and how much she sold the land.
You think she will listen to Uncle?
Why not? Eh? See, if that your stepmother proves to be stubborn, I will tell my father to involve the Umuna. And you know what that means. She must give you your own share of the money. What is her problem?
My stepmother is desperately wicked and she does not fear anyone.
It's like you're doubting what my father can do. I said, do not worry. My father will involve the Umuna. She must listen and give you your own share of the money.
You don't know my stepmother. That's why you're talking like this.
Yeah, I'm not scared of her. I'm not scared of her. Even if she thinks or she feels she's above everyone in this village, is she above the woman now? It's not possible. So don't worry, relax, eat your food. Let's wait for my father to come back. I'll get a day. Who is she?
You know, for 3 good days, this woman starved me. No food. I'll go at Alichago Meridia.
Sorry. Oh, sorry. Don't worry, anytime you're hungry, just come here. I'll give you food.
My stepmother will not make heaven.
Just eat. That woman.
Thank you so much, oh. I appreciate your kindness, darling, oh.
From one problem to the other. I'm beginning a messy.
Obidike, you mean Oledo told you all this?
Yes, and she also told me about a piece of land that you sold.
Obidike, you have said enough already. Oledo can tell you whatever she likes. I don't care.
Did you say the piece of land belonging to my late brother or not? That's what I want to.
That is none of your business. The dead do not own properties, but the living. I am alive, so I own those properties. Yes!
See, Udenna, my late brother, had 2 wives.
Mm-hmm.
His second wife, Eukarya, had a daughter. His property must be shared in 2 ways, including the money you made from
It's a lie!
Eh?
Pure lies. It will not happen. I feed Oledo in this house. I clothe her. When she's sick, I buy medicine for her. In case you have forgotten. Will you see Leggy? Where's the gun? I know the remaining. I will not do what you have said.
Chugo. Do things the proper way. Why are you treating Oledo as if she's not part of this family?
She's a member of this family.
Of course.
And I'm feeding her, taking care of her. I will not do it. I will not give her a penny farthing from that money. And then when you feel get me, you will not do anything. You will go and hit your head on that tree and die. I am the owner of this house. You can't do nothing. Go and tell them I said so.
You know, say I did not warn you.
Who am I begging you to warn me? Did I beg you to warn me? Did I beg you to go and report me to them? Go with your 2 legs, report me. They will not do anything. Take me to, in fact, report me to a shrine. I am waiting for the invitation. Don't go. Come and stay. In a quick, wine. In a you want everybody to perish so that you inherit the land. Idiot. Because I did not give you the money. I will not give you.
I want to reserve my comment.
Hey, come and comment it. Idiot. Nonsense.
You're stupid for saying that. Who doesn't love her? Look at this idiot. Who doesn't love her?
Lieutenant, you're not part of this discussion.
Oh, you're doing all these things to buy Mama's favor. To buy her support, that's why you're doing this. You're very stupid.
My friend, who invited you to this discussion? Why can't you respect yourself for once? You're not even ashamed of yourself. Fighting your younger brother over a woman.
You shut up your mouth, you stupid fool. Who is fighting you over a woman? Stay away from that girl before I kill you. Look at this one.
Lotana, please. Please stop all this. You people should stop.
Mama, stop. What do you mean stop? If there's anyone to stop, tell this your son to stop insulting me. What do you mean stop? Stop what? Aren't you aware that all I do is mine? Are you not aware?
You are the one insulting yourself, Lotana. Yes, you are insulting yourself. Just look at you.